friends, in today's video we are going to be talking about inexpensive home decor, how to get it, how to make it, yeah, all on a budget. So I have been inspired by the vases that I have been seeing from Crate and Barrel and CB2, and I'll put up my inspiration photos here. And I love them, but they are so expensive. I cannot see myself paying $79 for a vase. So I thought I would go on the hunt looking for dupes for my inspiration. And guys, did I luck out? If you are sleeping on JoAnn, well, sleep no more, because I have something that I think you're really gonna like. So make sure you keep watching. All right, so here are the vases that I picked up from JoAnn's. As you can see, they are similar in style to the ones from Crate and Barrel and CB2. They were not in the color though that I need. I want some white pieces for my bookcases, and you guys will see those bookcases soon. They remind me so much of the Restoration Hardware pieces, and yeah, I was so happy to find them, and I got them at Walmart. So if you're not subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss that upcoming video. But these are the little vases that we picked up, and we are just using a baking soda paint technique to give them a cement look, and I am loving how they are coming together. Today's video is part of my Look for Less DIY home decor videos. So I have done some videos in the past showing you how to make your own inexpensive home decor that is designer inspired. By designer, I mean like Crate and Barrel, CB2, and they have some really unique vases, and they cost a ton of money. And I'll put up some photos here, and these were my inspirations. And so I'm thinking, yeah, I want that look, but I don't want to spend that amount of money. So I went on the hunt and I found these at JoAnn Fabric, and these were actually on clearance, and I picked these up at 60% off. So this one was, I think, still wet, so I don't want to touch it. I think it was $19.99 at 60% off, and this one was $16.99. So guys, we got all 4 vases for less than the cost of the one from Crate and Barrel, and I think it is giving us the same look, the same inspiration for a whole lot less. So I'm absolutely loving it, and they are so budget friendly.